Hi guys, Lisbeth here. I received my play box for, what is it now, August 2018. And guys, I think this might be the best one I've ever received. Obviously, I snooped in it ahead of time. It's called Beauty Schooled, and you get your 50 points, insider points, if you purchase something in the store. The box is a $10 a month beauty box from Sephora. It's called Play by Sephora. If you search it, Google, you'll find it. Now, I'm so excited. Okay, the bag is just the white cotton bag with the pink drawstring. It says Back to Beauty School, and it's got like some pencils and rulers along with some makeup brushes. So I'm going to dump it all out. I'm actually going to start with the freebie. You get 5 samples and then like one thing they throw in. A lot of times it's perfume or a hair care. Of course, you guys know with my coughing situation, I can't do perfume, so I was happy that I received the Way shampoo and conditioner. I have actually tried this before and I do like it. It's a little bit pricey though, so I haven't purchased it, but I'm happy to get another sample. So that worked out for me. Then, you guys know I like beauty subscriptions for makeup, and this is makeup heavy. The first one is the Anastasia Beverly Hills. It's their, what is it called? Brow gel. Duh. It's their clear brow gel. And since my other brow gel is all like brown and guppy, I think it was supposed to be clear too. It was from Benefit, but I do like use pencils and stuff in my eyebrows, and it became all brown and guppy and I stopped using it. So just in time, a new clear brow gel, so I'm excited about that. The next thing is from Makeup Forever. It's a little makeup lipstick sample. So I was worried because like look at like red, and I was like, oh no, I already have a red lipstick. I rarely wear red. I don't need another one. And this is in Artist Rouge lipstick C211. But it is not red at all. This is it says a soft rosewood shade, which to me, I mean, we're talking kind of pinky mauve or pinky mauve, depending on how you pronounce it. So the mauves are one of my favorite colors in lipstick, so I'm really excited about that. So eyebrow gel, lipstick. The next thing I've never tried yet, it's from Living Proof. It's a TBD multi-styler. So I actually don't know, apply to wet hair to blow out. I don't usually use a blow dryer on my hair anymore because it's so fragile. Apply to dry hair to tame or deconstruct. So I'm not sure if it's going to give me any volume or not, but I am definitely looking forward to trying it. The last Living Proof one that said no frizz, which I thought might flatten my hair, it actually gave it a lot of volume. So looking forward to trying that. And then the next one I was excited at. Now, I do not own a bronzer, and I received from Benefit brand is the Hoola bronzer, and it comes in this like cute little packaging. I mean, I realize it's not like a full size, but let's face it, that's probably going to last me a good long time. I have tried a bronzer before, the Chocolate Soleil, which didn't really go well with my skin color, or it could just be my application. Who knows? But I'm excited to try this Hoola bronzer. I've heard a lot of good things about it. So I have a brow gel, a lipstick, and a color I adore, and a bronzer all in the same box. Oh my gosh. Then we have the Origins Retexturing Mask with Rose Clay. Now you guys know I pretty much prefer the sheet masks, but I'm going to try it. Let's see, does it have a scent? It's got kind of a little rose scent to it. And it actually has, I don't know if you can see, a little pinkish tinge to it. Now it says it's a retexturizing mask, a purifying mask. I prefer the, oh, you can feel it, it feels like it's got a little clay in it. I prefer the moisturizing mask, but I am going to try it. So let's see. To recap, I'm going to do it in order. They give you a little paper that describes how to use the products and everything. The Anastasia Brow Gel. The Makeup Forever lipstick in, they call it, what, C211, but I call it mauve. So a pinkish mauve. The Hair Styler, which it's 1 fluid ounce. I mean, that's a pretty decent size sample. The Hoola Bronzer, I don't even know, like, can I even see it? It says 0.1 ounce, but let's face it, that's probably going to go. I definitely probably wouldn't use it up by the time it got too old, so I'm excited about that. The face mask, and then for just the freebie sample, the shampoo and conditioner of a shampoo that I really like. So thanks for joining me, guys. If you get the play, let me know what you got. Let me know what you think of this box, and I will talk with you later. Bye. Oh, if you stayed on after I said bye, this is my senior key. Now, I'm in my mid-50s, but this is from 1982. It made it past one of my jewelry declutters, which if I think about it, I'll put them down below. I haven't made a playlist yet, so I'll try to remember to put the necklace one down below. Tell me what you think. Is it crazy wearing your senior key from the 80s? I don't know. I think I like it. I probably haven't worn it in 2 decades, but I'm thinking I like it. I'll talk with you guys later. Bye.